So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy Feeder 2K firmware upgrade issue. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys you just follow this video to fix this issue. So guys, let's start. So guys, first of all, you optimize your Wi-Fi signal. So bring the camera inside. Do not attempt the fire update while the camera module is mounted on the feeder outside. Okay, so remove the camera module and place it with the 5 to 10 feet of your wireless router to eliminate the signal dropouts. Then guys, disable the 5 GHz bands temporarily. So Birdfy camera often require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So log in into your router admin setting and temporarily turn off 5 GHz band so your phone and the feeder are forced to use 2.4 GHz channel during the update. Then guys, check your battery levels. So guys, full charge the device. Ensure the camera is charged to at least 40% to 50% before attempting any updates. A low battery can cause the camera shut down midway through the update process, which can break the device. Okay. Then guys, you try to hard reset the device. So guys, if the update has previously crashed, so your camera may be stuck in buggy state, so factory reset. So you use the provided ejector pin or the end of the paper clip to the paper and hold the reset reboot button for 7 to 8 seconds until the camera resets. Okay, then guys, reconnect in the app. So open your Birdfy app, go through the initial setups to reconnect your Wi-Fi and then attempt to your firmware update again. Then guys, you use a mobile hotspot. So guys, if your home router continue to reject the firmware download, so you can bypass your router firewall entirely by using a mobile hotspot. So turn on your smartphone to 2.4 GHz hotspot and have a second smartphone or tablet connect to the hotspot and use it to download and initiate the firmware update. Once the update is successful, reset the feeder. Then update via SD card. So if you have an attempt to micro SD card available, so updating via the SD card is most reliable method. Okay, so you contact the Birdfy support via live chat or the email support and ask them to send you direct firmware files your Birdfy 2K. Then guys, format your SD card, copy and firmware file onto the SD card, insert it into the camera and power the camera on to let it flash the update. So guys, these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.